Hi, I'm Russell. This is me in the kitchen. I teach people how to make healthy food, and this is an introductory film to show you how I got there.
This is me doing yoga. This is my beautiful wife Mia. She's a yoga teacher. We live in London. We love riding motorbikes. And this is our French bulldog, Elton. I think he might be the fastest Frenchie on the planet. This is Elton eating some smoked salmon, it's one of his favourites. This is Elton leaping like a salmon. Wait, this isn't a film about Elton. This is me working out with my X3 bar. This is me practicing my handstands.
This is me having a cold shower. You get used to it.
This is what I ate for breakfast this morning. I grew up in Bognor Regis, England. This is a picture of me as a Sea Scout in my garden. This is me when I was 17 working at Burger King, and it's where I got acne. I used to take antibiotics, Roaccutane and topical skin creams that made my skin red and itchy, and none of them really worked. This is me in Koh Samui, Thailand. It's where I went to clear my acne in 10 days. I ate nothing for a week, did 2 colonics a day and paid for the experience.
It's also where I found out about raw food. I really got into it.
In 2009, The Times referred to me as the UK's leading raw food chef.
This is me teaching at a culinary academy in Oklahoma City. This is me about to teach a raw food class in Stephenville, Texas.
By 2018, I wasn't eating much raw food and I'd cultivated early signs of a dad bod. I did a 90-day body transformation. I worked out 3 times a week and ate like an adult.
And after 90 days, I got a fake tan, covered myself in baby oil and did a professional gym photo shoot. You don't need to see these photos. Well, this one is good though. I started a new website sharing the foods I ate to get in shape. This is my YouTube channel.
This is me live streaming. Now I like to focus on nourishment and feeling healthy.
Did you know that the word healthy roots back to Old English meaning wholeness? Paleo, carnivore, keto, raw vegan, juicing, fasting. Even the chocolate cake diet.
I've cried so many. Now I've learned to nourish my body with whole foods and home cooking. And that's how I came to eat like an adult.